all this wig I decided to wear for a fabulous night out in Times Square. And just to make sure that I got its name and its specs and everything else correctly about it, I'm going to read it to you from my phone. So I'm rocking the Motown Tress. The style name is called Isabel, and the color I'm wearing is RT4PINK/blue. This is what the packaging is going to look like. But this is what it's going to look like literally when you get it out of its packaging. There is no lace to cut. This is an effortlessly easy wig to apply. This is what the front is looking like. This is it from the side. And the front. So I wanted to come on here and share it with you all. And while I'm in Times Square, I might as well give you a quick glance of my outfit of the night. So I'm going to start out with, you already saw the wig. The glasses I'm wearing is from Rainbow Shops. You've seen this in the previous haul. The handbag that I decided to wear for the evening is a patent leather back sack that also came from Rainbow. The jacket that you are seeing is from Forever 21. I showed this to you on my Instagram from Forever 21. The jeans are from Rainbow Apparel, the same. So let me show you what it's looking like. Jeans. And the highlight of my outfit is my boots, which is my YSL boots right here. And that's the full outfit of the night. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. So I'm gonna get out of here. We can go finish our date night, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.